In this world of shrinking attention span, it's important that brand marketing is contextual and more targeted. With best-in-class viewing durations, Adonmo is bringing the best of online advertising into outdoors. Brands can now not only hyper-target specific locations at specific times, but also can contextualize their ad campaigns with real-time data and happenings. Adonmo's adaptive brightness technology ensures best visibility at all times of the day, even in direct sunlight. Customers are given a powerful dashboard to live track their campaigns and obtain rich analytics on how their campaign budget is being spent. Not just that, brands are offered the flexibility to execute anything from a burst campaign just for few hours to a sustenance campaign which can go on for an year. All this with a powerful capability to change, update and deploy ad campaigns in just few minutes with no extra cost. Isn't that awesome? We at Adonmo can't wait to make your brand more popular.